Okay, so once you have all 4 pieces, this is how to interlock them. So I don't do this one by one. I do this by halves because once you get to the last one, it can get pretty hard. So the way you're gonna interlock these is you open one up like this. You see the inside, right? And take another piece and push it in as far as possible, like this, and push it down, like this. And that's how to make a half. So I'll just do it real quick with this one. Okay, so now I have 2 halves, and to interlock these, you make it so that when they're facing each other, they're not the same. So it should be like this. Okay? Now to interlock them. The way you interlock is you use the same technique that you used to make the halves. So what we'll do is we'll take this up, take the top flap up, and put this in, and then take this one, the bottom one up, and put this in, and push it together. Make sure you're able to push it together like this, and then you can squeeze it together and flatten it. There. Okay. Now to make it where you have to actually unlock it to break it. So what you're gonna do is leave all the flaps on one side unfolded except for one. Now what you're gonna do is you fold a flap over. You can only fold it over this square part, because if you fold it over this triangle part, you won't be able to make it interlock. So what you're gonna do is fold this flap, the flap over it, and so on. So you do this, that, and now what you do with the last step, with the last flap, is you take the first flap that you folded in up and tuck this under. And that's how you do one. And now flip it over and do the same thing. So see, we have one flap here, over, tuck. Now you can just tighten it up a little bit. So it kind of looks like actually a square picture of Ninja Star. So that's why I like it. Yeah. So that's how you make it.